this is going to be a quick review on these pink bags. Now, I'm going to give you the good and I'm going to give you the bad, but first let's talk about the good. Like this bag right here in particular, full of shoes, and these bags are full of books, and yeah, they've been really good. They are pretty durable, especially for things around 20-30 pounds. Once you start creeping into that 50+ pound range, you have to be careful how you list them, which takes me right into one of the bad things. Is this right here is a weak point. Like, I'm pretty sure if I search hard enough, I can find one of the bags, and there it is, one of the bags that has a rip, because if you do not lift these up perfectly, like let's say you grab one arm before the other or one handle before the other, it causes uneven weight distribution, and it will rip this like this. And once that's ripped, it kind of diminishes its durability. So I will say that that's definitely one of the bad things. So when you do lift these, just always make sure you have both of them and you have it perfectly in the middle, because it pulls up and allows for perfect weight distribution. Yeah, other than that, that's really the only bad thing. The zippers are pretty good. As you can see, I was able to unzip this bag pretty easily. Like, the zippers are phenomenal, better than some of my clothes. And I also love that they have this handle, so if you need to move it from the side, as you can see, you can just pull that. And the biggest thing that I really love is they have this little pocket right here where you can slide a note in. Now, my wife, she didn't know that it came with notes already in the pack, so she made her own. But yeah, it comes with these little white pieces of cards, or these white cards that you can just slide in there. But really convenient. Highly recommended if you need something to move stuff in and you're around the 20 to 30 pound range. All right, thanks for watching. You have a blessed day.